Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add Metamask in Kiwi Browser. Open Kiwi, tap the three dots, select Extensions, then open the Chrome Web Store. Search Metamask, choose the official extension, and tap Add to Chrome. After installation, open the extension, create or restore a wallet with a secure password, and back up your seed phrase safely before using any dApps. Open Kiwi Browser and navigate to Extensions from the menu to enable developer mode. Use the newly visible Chrome Web Store link and search for Metamask, confirming the official publisher. Tap Add to Chrome, accept the extension permissions, and wait for installation to finish. Finally, open the Metamask extension icon, follow the setup prompts to create or import your wallet, and ensure your seed phrase is stored offline. After installing Metamask, prioritize security by writing your seed phrase on paper and storing it offline in a safe place. Use a unique, strong password for your wallet and enable any available biometric locks on your device. For larger funds, consider using a hardware wallet or cold storage. Always verify the extension publisher and user reviews before installing, and avoid entering seed phrases on unfamiliar sites or prompts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.